is our LG fridge, and we're going to do a review today. As you can see, it is a 2-door. This is the freezer. You can see the size. It has 2 shelves, and it has 2 door shelves. Okay, and the main fridge has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. Okay, shelves, and then there's a green compartment which is for fruits and vegetables. Here I just pack my stuff in containers. You can see that is an alert that the door is open. Yeah, and then I have this fridge mat which protects the counter. So the first review is I like that the material is glass because it's easy to clean and maintain, but it's very fragile, so you have to really take good care of it. I like this compartment because it's easy to use and save, and it retains my products fresh, and of course the size is reasonable. You can see that I can put quite some stuff. And then we have the door, which also takes a substantial size of quality. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. Okay, then we have the freezer. I thought it's small, but it's actually so big. I put a lot of stuff. When I am storing the boiled stuff is when I realize this is an LG fridge, which is a GN-B272SQCB. Okay, these are the parameters. It has a storage of 254 liters, and then it can take 47 kgs. Then it is made in Indonesia. Yeah, basically this is what is in the freezer, but I feed food for a month. Can you imagine? Including these doors, these door shelves, they take a lot. So when we close the door, the first thing you find here is our shopping list. This is the best thing that can happen. I think we have already shopped that, because sometimes we take an image. So we have already started our September listing, and you can see we have vanilla essence and margarine. If you watched our previous video, you saw that we ran out of margarine. Then on top there we have our menu. We have fish fillet, beef, chicken, dal, lentils, and leftover day. To be honest, this menu will not work this week because we don't have fish fillet, we don't have it, and we also don't have chicken and lentils. Yeah, but we'll see what works for us. The first thing is that the size is reasonable, so I can stock up stuff for up to a whole month comfortably without stress, including veggies and freezer meals. So it is amazing. Then of course we have the shopping list here, so you can see the magnet works. Then it says 2 stars. It means it is at level 2 of saving electricity. I think it goes up to 5, but by the time I was shopping, this was the highest. Comment down below if you have seen a 5-star. I honestly think that the higher the stars, the better it is. I would have preferred the saving of electricity, but it's not a huge consumer. Considering the number of electronics I have and my monthly bill, it's reasonable, I would say. Then it is a GN-B2, we had said that, so yeah, so that's it. Then it has a smart inverter compressor with a 10 years warranty. Can you imagine that? 10 years is a long time. So it just guarantees you that it's going to serve you for a reasonable amount of time. How good can that be? LG, kudos on this. And the next thing is their normal warranty for the other parts of the fridge is 2 years. So it is important to just be sure how long it is, because the longer it is, that gives you a bit more of assurance. Comment down below if a longer warranty gives you some extra comfort. When I was shopping, and I'll link the video down below, I noticed some of the other brands have 1 year. So the reason I fell in love with this one is it was within my budget, and also I have LG products which are serving me perfectly, and also it is 2 years warranty, unlike some of the most common brands. The other thing I love about this fridge, because of the number of compartments, it's very easy to arrange stuff, even depending on their sizes. As you can see, everything is falling into place, no matter the size. At this point, we want to appreciate you for watching this video, and if you have subscribed, for considering us worthy of your subscription. We don't take it for granted. We really value you. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and join the Just family. Everything is now in place and is, as you can see, very organized, and it's courtesy of how the fridge is actually. So it really helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly don't forget to subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for always supporting us, and we look forward to your feedback. See you on our next one.